to Disney This Day, I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 2009, the documentary Waking Sleeping Beauty was featured at the Toronto International Film Festival. Director Don Hahn chronicled Walt Disney Feature Animation during the Disney Renaissance of the 1980s and early 90s. Leadership changes brought about both energy and controversy, ultimately leading to a period of incredible achievement and success. Made of archival footage, the documentary gives first-person snapshots from the time. And it was a really good documentary. Did you see it? Did you love it? Hard to believe it was 15 years ago. Anyway, have a magical day.